The world of finance is changing. Real-world assets are making their way onto the blockchain, unlocking new investment opportunities, liquidity, and financial innovation. At the forefront of this revolution is Lumia, a blockchain designed to tokenize and trade physical assets like gold, silver, diamonds, and industrial metals. Lumia is not just another blockchain. It is a fully regulated and compliant ecosystem designed to bring real-world commodities into the digital space, enabling seamless trading, lending, and liquidity management for assets that were once difficult to move and trade efficiently. So what is Lumia? Well, let's dive in. Lumia is a next-generation blockchain that focuses on tokenizing real-world assets, turning physical commodities into digital tokens that can be easily traded, used as collateral, and integrated into DeFi protocols. Some of the key assets being tokenized on Lumia includes gold, silver, aluminum, copper, and iron ore. By bridging these assets onto the blockchain, Lumia provides borderless 24/7 market where investors can access and trade RWAs with instant settlement, lower cost, and increased liquidity. One of the major challenges with tokenizing real-world assets has always been regulatory compliance. Lumia is addressing this by securing licenses in jurisdictions such as United Arab Emirates and Australia, ensuring that every asset tokenized on its platform is legally backed and verifiable. This is where Lumia's bailment agreement comes into play. This legal framework ensures that while the physical assets remain with a trusted custodian, their ownership is represented digitally on the blockchain, allowing investors to trade and leverage these assets without having to physically store or transport them. So how does Lumia's tokenization process work? Well, it's quite simple. Tokenizing assets on Lumia is a structured and transparent process that ensures security, compliance, and efficiency. First, there is asset verification. The owner of the asset submits proof of ownership and undergoes a verification process. Secondly, there's a bailment agreement. A legally binding contract is signed between the asset holder and the Lumia Foundation, ensuring asset custody and compliance. Thirdly, there's appraisal and tokenization. The asset is appraised and its value is represented on the blockchain through tokenized units. And last but not least, trading and collateralization. Once tokenized, these assets can be traded on Lumia's decentralized exchange or used as collateral for borrowing and lending on platforms such as Privados. This process transforms traditional asset ownership, making it more liquid, transparent, and accessible to global investors. One of the main challenges with real-world assets is liquidity. So how do we ensure that these tokenized assets can be traded efficiently? Well, Lumia solves this issue with Lumia Stream, a liquidity aggregator that connects centralized and decentralized exchanges to create a deep and diverse liquidity pool for RWAs. This means that tokenized commodities like gold and silver can be traded with high efficiency, minimal price slippage, and deep liquidity, making them more attractive to investors and institutions. Lumia's liquidity provisioning is powered by market-making nodes that ensures price stability, smart contracts that provide delta-neutral liquidity, preventing large price swings, automated liquidity pools that allow users to earn yield by providing capital to the ecosystem. So by integrating these liquidity mechanisms, Lumia is ensuring that RWAs have a robust and scalable financial infrastructure. Once tokenized and liquid, RWAs can be integrated into the DeFi ecosystem, allowing for a variety of new financial applications: collateralized lending, yield farming, cross-chain transfers, derivatives, and features By enabling these DeFi applications, Lumia is bridging traditional finance with the blockchain, creating a new digital economy for real-world assets. One of the most important aspects of dealing with real-world assets on the blockchain is compliance and identity verification. Lumia is tackling this challenge by integrating PrivadoID, a decentralized identity solution that allows users to verify their identity in a secure and privacy-preserving way. With PrivadoID, users don't need to expose their personal data to every platform they interact with. Instead, they can use zero-knowledge proofs to prove their identity without revealing sensitive information. Users create a PrivadoID passport with their verified credentials. When accessing financial services on Lumia, they can prove that they are KYC approved without sharing personal documents. Institutions and regulators can verify compliance without compromising user privacy. This integration ensures that Lumia remains fully compliant to global regulations while maintaining the decentralization and privacy that blockchain users demand. By bridging on-chain KYC to real-world assets, Lumia is setting a new standard for secure and compliant blockchain finance. So why is this so important? Let's compare traditional markets to Lumia's tokenized asset model. Traditional markets, illiquid and difficult to trade, high fees and slow transactions, limited access for retail investors. Lumia's tokenized RWA, on the other hand, instant settlement and global trading, lower fees and decentralized finance integration, and fractional ownership, making assets accessible to a wider audience. The key benefits of Lumia's RWA ecosystem: borderless finance, deep liquidity, regulatory compliance, full DeFi integration, and with Lumia, tokenized assets are no longer just an idea. They are a reality, ready to be integrated into everyday financial markets. Lumia is redefining the future of finance by bridging real-world assets onto the blockchain. By tokenizing commodities, integrating KYC with PrivadoID, and solving the liquidity problem with Lumia Stream, this blockchain is poised to become the foundation of the next generation digital asset economy. The future of finance is on-chain, and Lumia is leading the way. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on the future of RWAs, DeFi, and blockchain finance. The future of real-world assets is here, and it's called Lumia. My name is Nicola. Until the next one, peace out.